This is Meesho website. Let's say I have to add we want to add this sari to our website. First, save image at desktop. Here we have our image saved on desktop. Now go to your admin panel. From here, products, all products, add new product. From admin panel, go to products, add new product. At the top, add the product name. What is product name? Product name is अभी साड़ी का फैशनेबल साड़ी. कॉपी पेस्ट. प्रोडक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन. This is product description. Add it here, paste product description, and also paste it here, product description. Now product data, product type is simple, regular price. Meesho has its price is $785. We want to sell it at $885. Add your price $885. Yeah, $999, and we want to sell it $885. This means we are getting 100 rupees profit on selling this product. Now set product image. Upload product image from your PC. We have saved the product image on desktop. Select this image. Set product image. And if you want to add more product images, let's see, we want this images to save image as to name it anything you want. Add product gallery. Select upload. When the upload is finished, add to gallery. It is not added properly. Again do it. Upload file as2. Add to gallery. It will load later, and just come above and publish. let it complete. Our product is added to our website. To check our product, go to your home page, clothesbazaar.in. Here is our newly added product. Open it. See the description, short description, long description, and the second image. If the customer wants to purchase this, he will add to cart. The product has been added to cart. View cart. Proceed to checkout. I have set up an account on this website, so I will use my previous account. Login. Password entered. Password is failed. Let's create new account. Mir Khan Gangu plot washing 4450592. Now the product price is 885 and the shipping rate is 35. So the total is 915 rupees. Cash on delivery and place order. This will be completed in a minute. Order received. Now let's go to check our orders. WooCommerce orders. WooCommerce and orders. This is our order, Samir Khan. We just placed it 20 seconds ago from here. Click on the order and see what is the order. Samir Khan ordered this product. Advi Sarika fashionable sari. Pricing of 885. As your order completed, you can choose completed, order completed, and update. So the customer will know that your product has been shipped. Now Now let's again see how to add one more product. Let's add something, jewelry, bags. We are going to add some bags to our shop. Let's add this bag. Save image as bag at our local PC, and from here copy this name, Preeti Fashionable Hub, and go to our admin panel, add new products, add new product, paste the title, product name. This is the product name. Add product image here, product image, here it is, product image. It will take a little time depending on the internet connection. Set product image, and now come to the description, copy the description, product description, paste, and here product short description, paste the same thing. Now what we need is to add price. We don't want to offer any discount on this product. So the product we are getting from Meesho is 395 and we want to sell it for 100 rupees profit. So it means 495. The price for this product is 495. We are getting it for 395 and we want to sell it for 100 rupees profit. So add our 100, that means 495. We don't want to show any sale price or any discount over this price. So we will eventually keep this 495 as it is. Don't put anything under sale price. Now don't disturb this setting and don't touch these settings. Just keep going. And if you want to add SKU, so you can add something like 53443169, 53445169, and product tag bags, women bag, black color bags, black color bag, and product category is bag, and parent category accessories. And now publish. Come to the dashboard. The detail you are seeing here about 3 orders are pending. These orders are made while I am building your website to just test everything is in order. Now let's check our bag is properly added to our system. Here it is, bag, recent product, bag, featured product, and more product. This is recent product. Our bag is now visible in our shop. The only thing you using this WooCommerce setting to manage orders, WooCommerce settings and orders. And to add new product to your shop, go to products, add new product, products, add new product. And if you want to see all the products listed in your shop, go here, all products. These are all the products that are in our shop. These products that I inserted, you don't need, and eventually you need to delete them. You need to delete all these products when you upload minimum 10 to 20 products to your store. And to make a product featureable, just make a star, select this star. This will add the product to feature product. Now this is feature product, and now this will be shown in featured product. Here is our feature product list. Feature product. Reload and see if the bag is come in featured product. Here it is. Now bag is visible in featured product. Featured product, recent product, bag, and this featured product, bag. That's it. You will use these two options, WooCommerce and products. WooCommerce option to manage order and to cancel order, and products to add product, select categories, add new product, products, and add new products. That's it. It's very simple. And if you don't understand anything, please ask. And the Meesho website is meesho.com, meesho.com. You can copy paste your data from here.